bless the Lord, my soul. Oh Lord my God, you are great indeed. You are clothed with majesty and glory, wrapped in light as with a cloth. You have spread out the heavens like a thin cloud. Oh, bless the Lord, my soul. You have constructed your palace upon the water. You make clouds your chariot. You travel on the wings of the wind. You make the wind your messengers, and flaming fire your ministers. Oh, bless the Lord, my soul. How manifold are your works, oh Lord. In wisdom you have wrought them all. The earth is full of your creatures, the sea also great and wide, in which are schools without number of living things, both small and great. Oh, bless the Lord, my soul. They look to you to give them food in due time. When you give it to them, they gather it. When you open your hand, they are filled with good things. Oh, bless the Lord, my soul. If you take away their breath, they perish and return to dust. When you send forth your spirit, they are created.